In the heart of Kerala, where morning mists kiss the river, ancient rituals whispered through generations, ground with hands, hearts, healing. Beauty born from reverence, of earth, of balance, of soul. In Kerala, golden blossoms carry age-old secrets of glow and grace. These sacred rituals have been our mother's wisdom, now reborn for you. Introducing Bhumi Blend, crafted with Kerala's ancient herbal heritage. Bhumi Blend, the purest beauty product on earth. Pure, timeless, yours.